Here's the update, guys, on that airflow that I was showing you guys, the lean condition. As you can see, my fuel trims now are very close to zero. My bank 1 long term is at 1. My bank 2 long term is down to 6. It has corrected itself, and no more check engine light, obviously, for a lean condition. So I just wanted to verify with you guys and confirm this and show you that yes, having crap inside that airflow assembly and that screen is going to affect fuel trims. Okay, so don't overlook the obvious, fellas. I learned that a long time ago. Start chasing things, injectors and all this other stuff, and your problem could be right in front of you. Just do a visual inspection on stuff like this beforehand. This car has 200,000 miles on it. First time I've seen a Caddy with a 4.6 in it that actually lasted this long. However, there is no, there's no replacement for, being thorough and making sure of your basics before going off and, going crazy with a problem. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Like I said, I do these videos to help guys out, and to some of you guys, I just want to say I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry that we're giving away trade secrets here. I'm really, well, actually, no, I'm not really sorry at all. This is no secret. It shouldn't be. This is basics 101. So to all you guys that are, creating content along with me, keep doing what you're doing, and let's all work together. Thanks, fellas.